CNNA Peregrine, who attacked an enormous pelican with his bright orange claws, won the first award in this year's bird photographer competition. In 8th edition of competition, while celebrating beauty of birds, raising awareness about assembly prints they encountered, photographers from all over the world entered the competition. More than 20,000 in all competed for a big award of £5,000. U.S. photographer Jack Zhi, who took the of winning in Southern California, said he had expected 4 years to capture a rare moment on a woman's hawk-brown pelican. Throughout the breeding season, a female peregrine falcon strongly attacks her youth by attacking everything that comes next to the nest, she explained in a press release. But in the end he was successful. The action was fast and in the way to open an eye. But I will remember that moment forever. Other photographers were recognized by artistic and atmospheric shots, such as a silhouette of a silhouette against moon taken by 17-year-old Anton Trexler, who won Young Bird Photographer Year. German photographer Anton Trexler in sunrise in a red moon against a silhouette Eurasia black bird. Anton Trexler birds. In the article, the competition organizers hope that striking will encourage not only the abilities of photographers, but also the importance and protection of birds. The surprising caliber of these photos underlines a vital message: let's defend reason for the protection, so that future generations may admire real-life inspirations behind these extraordinary he said. The profits obtained from competition support various protection projects through its own aid birds. On the verge of award.